Hey y'all, welcome back to the set. If you haven't noticed, I am on Mr. Lippy's set. Beautiful Florida. I'm having a time of my life hanging out with all my Griddle Pro friends. Today, friends, we have a breakfast taco that is going to be nice, quick, easy for you to get on your table. It's going to be some good groceries. Let's get started. That's some good groceries. All right, guys, hey, let's get started. We're going to put about a pound of breakfast sausage. Use whatever breakfast sausage you like. I am not in North Carolina, so normally I like that Niecy's brand. That's a North Carolina thing. Down here in Florida, old Jimmy's fine. He's going to do all right. We're going to get that down. Just break this up because you don't want just this whole blob onto your griddle. You want to break it up into manageable pieces so that, well, you know, you don't want family members to have a big old chunk of sausage, right? So we're gonna let that go for maybe 4 to 5 minutes. While we're doing that, we're gonna get our eggs started. And we have 6 beautiful eggs that we're gonna make our breakfast tacos. And we're gonna crack these 6 eggs into a nice bowl. We're gonna put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper on it. Just standard issue stuff here, y'all. Good little pinch, a little bit of pepper, okay? Give that a good old mixy, little whiskey action. Just like that. Now, this is totally optional. The jury's still out. Do you use heavy whipping cream? Do you use half and half? Do you use milk? Do you use water? Do you use nothing? I just like a little milk, Red cap milk, state law, even in Florida, all right? Give that a good old mixy. We're gonna set that off to the side. We're gonna come back over to our griddle. We're gonna mix our sausage back up. See that nice char on it? That's great flavor, nice caramelization. Exactly what you want. Guys, we're gonna give this about another 3 to 4 minutes and it's gonna be ready for our eggs. Y'all come back. All right, guys, once your sausage is nice and done, got some nice little caramelization on that, we're gonna add a can of these diced red chilies, diced green chilies. These are fire roasted, and I like the fire roasted because it gives it a little bit of something, you know what I'm saying? And we're just gonna mix these in well, just like that. They don't need a lot of griddle treatment here. We just wanna get a little bit of that griddle love, okay? Now, we gotta get a bed ready for our eggs, okay? Because eggs need butter, all right? Even though there's a little bit of sausage grease down, I know what some people are saying. Hussey, there's grease, but there's not enough, and you need butter. A few knobs of butter, just like that, okay? Let's get that melted. That butter's just saying, come on, eggs. I got you, come on, eggs, let's go. And now, friends, it's egg time. Another little mixy right before it goes onto the griddle. Just like that. Sometimes you gotta play a little action. Gotta chase them eggs around, depending on how yours is pitched. This one's pitched a little bit that way. That's fine. No big deal. Just move those nice and around. I'm gonna give these a couple minutes and we'll be right back. It's been a few minutes. Let's give our eggs a looky. Looky. There. I cut the griddle off here, by the way, y'all, just to make sure the eggs don't get overly hard. I'm not a fan of it. These right here just need a little while longer and they're gonna be perfect. We might as well actually go ahead and get our cheese on this, okay? We're using just a Fiesta Mexican style cheese. It's got a couple different kinds in it. It's got Monterey Jack. It's got a little Colby Jack. Oh, Colby, he's a good boy of mine, good old friend of mine. Just use however much you want. You can shred your own as well. I decided to take a little shortcut here because it's easy, all right? Well, easy. There we go. All right. While we're doing that, this is a taco. This is a taco. We've got to have some tortillas or tortillas, okay? We're gonna throw down, we're gonna use our little handy dandy taco rack. 1, 2, 3. We got 4 here, 4 slots. And we're gonna make 4 tacos. A little room right here. And we just want to toast these up, y'all. You don't want them hard. You just want to kind of get a little loosey-goosey, all right? A little loosey. Old Lucy, she's a good old girl too. Just get those nice and warmed up. We flipped our tortillas. Our egg mixture, it is done. We're going to build these dudes right onto the griddle top, okay? Take our tortillas. Ooh, they're nice, warm, supple. Now, we're just gonna load these up with some of our mixture, our egg mixture, eggs, sausage, green chilies. Okay, just like that right there. Be liberal with it. And if you don't like the person you're using it to, just kind of skimp them a little bit, okay? They'll be like, why did I get like an ounce of meat? I don't know. There we go. Perfect, perfect. Add a little bit more to this bad boy right here. Bring these over to our cutting board. Boy, these things look good. Now, put a little Texas Pete on it. A little bit of South, a little bit of North Cackalack in the house. Right down the street from where I live. Just a little bit. And there you have it, folks. Quick, easy breakfast taco. And I cannot wait. Whoa, wait a minute. I got a friend who also likes eggs for breakfast and stuff.
I sure do.
Might introduce you to Miss Blackstone Betty.
Can I take one?
Betty, yeah, take one, please. And it's always Southern gentleman style, ladies first.
Oh gosh, can we do it at the same time?
We can.
These are good groceries? Is what you call good groceries?
These are good groceries.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. How's those eggs? How's the eggs?
They're perfect.
Perfect eggs? Gosh, boy, I've been sweating.
I got here at the right time.
You did.
I'm gonna take this with me.
Breakfast is now served, madam.
Thank you.
Guys, hey, I appreciate you sticking around with us. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll see other awesome breakfast recipes just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.
Thanks.
And that Texas Pete.
You guys gotta make these ones.
Take care.